in an effort to inform and educate the Indian travel trade about the latest updates on culinary experiences, luxury accommodations, exceptional hospitality, and unforgettable experiences, Abu Dhabi Tourism will be organizing an exclusive, specially curated webinar tomorrow 3 p.m. onwards. Booking.com unveils insights into travelers' views on sustainability and emerging eco-friendly travel trends.
A majority of Indian travelers we spoke to want to travel more sustainably, and they also recognize that it's difficult to find these sustainable options, when they travel. Discoverability is a bit of a challenge at the moment, right? So that's the problem that we are trying to solve, right? By making accommodations that are sustainable be more visible to travelers when they want them, and second, bring in more education and awareness, right? Because also travelers sometimes, we have to also see that this intent leads to conversion at the end of the day, right? Because it's one thing to say that you want to travel sustainably, but are you willing to pay maybe a little bit extra, right, to go stay at a sustainable property? So therefore, there's a lot of education and awareness required both with the consumer and with the partner in order to make that happen.
Nok Air observes shift in consumer trends from the Indian market.
The trends to see that it shift to be more FIT and also like the smaller size. Before, Indians might travel like in the bigger group, but right now I think because of the we expand the sales channels with all the partners and everything, so the passengers can book our flights easier. So the trend shift to be more FIT or like in with the family groups. Also like down to like 4, 5 or 6 packs maximum, like that. We see that not only leisure but also the business expansion is coming more, and also other niche as well.
Balitrip Wisata honored by Larangasem Tourism Authority for promoting East Bali tourism to the Indian market. Minor Hotels sets sights on bold expansion in India.
By the moment, as I mentioned, we operate 8 different brands, but probably we will add some luxury brand in the following years. Wedding business is extremely strong for our properties all around the world, but then as well we are developing MICE and corporate travel from India.
We're looking at almost 50 hotels in next 10 years, and obviously we're looking for partners to work with, and that's why we say the feedback from the market has been tremendous.